Well, I'm about to move out of my house. We're just packing everything up now. I've been here for about 4 years, and of course in that time I haven't managed to really capture any photos or take any video of my garden. Put a fair bit of effort into this one, so just do a quick shot around and just so I remember what it looked like. Built a few outdoor areas here, so that's the main door out of the dining area, link into the kitchen and everything. This is sort of my barbecue area. This is a barbecue that I never use. It seemed like a good idea at the time, but nice little spot, but the weather's always so bad, as you may see from the amount of rain at the moment. It's hardly ever spend any time outside here. Found these bluestone pavers, not really pavers, I think they're actually stair stringers, but they look really cool as pavers. Bit of inspiration from stuff I saw on the internet there. There's the back area, well, a bit of deck out the back here, a spot with a nice little table, and the backyard is basically what happens when you have an excavator and a bit too much time to play around digging dirt. I think my fish will miss me. Although whoever gives them food is pretty much their favourite person, so whatever. Fish have been breeding too. They've been breeding quite regularly. There's a few little ones in there you can see. I only ever bought one load of fish and they're obviously quite happy. A few little fruit trees and pots down the side here. It's probably the first year they've grown properly, and got quite a few peaches off this one. They're quite nice too.